Brian, can I see that paper for a sec? Huh. That's odd. I thought that would be big news.
You thought what would be big news?
Well, there seems to be an absence of a certain ornithological piece. A headline regarding mass awareness of a certain avian variety.
What are you talking about?
Oh, have you not heard? It was my understanding that everyone had heard.
Heard what?
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Man, everybody knows that the bird is the word. Hey, bright little child, the bird is the word. Lady on the toilet, the bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird.
Again, I love repetition.
Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Thank you. Hi, I'm Peter Griffin. You know, there's an issue facing many Americans today that I know concerns a great number of us. According to Gallup polls, 1 in 12 Americans is unaware that the bird is the word. I, for one, dream of an America where everybody knows that the bird is the word.
My God, is it possible? Have the boys in the lab confirm this.
Everybody's talking about the bird.
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird's a word. Oh, well, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. Oh, well, a bird, bird. The bird's a word. Oh, well, a bird. Surfin Bird.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Who did it? Surfin Bird is gone. I took it to bed, had sex with it, it fell asleep in my arms, and this morning it's gone.
Well, Peter, nobody here would steal from you.
Oh, no one had a motive, Lois. You all had a motive. Every one of you.